Let's start with the unboxing. First, we have the AutoGrip charging unit. Next, the full aluminum magic arm. A 65-watt power supply with a US plug. EU and UK power supply adapters. A 2-meter braided USB-A to USB-C cable. A spherical head connector. And a 1/4 inch T-nut. Loosen and remove the nut located at the rear of the AutoGrip. Remove the spherical head connector from its protective packaging. Carefully insert the spherical head connector into the AutoGrip bearing, applying firm pressure as necessary. Retighten the nut on the rear of the AutoGrip. Secure one end of the magic arm to the AutoGrip by tightening it firmly. If needed, grab the magic arm to gain additional leverage while tightening. Slide the 1/4 inch T-nut into the aluminum profile. Tighten the pre-assembled AutoGrip onto the T-nut. Ensure the connection is secure, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the aluminum profile. If extra leverage is needed, use the magic arm as a tightening aid. Plug in the USB-C side of the cable into the AutoGrip. And the USB-A side into the power supply. Connect the power supply to an available power outlet. Touch the bottom sensor to open the AutoGrip. Place your phone onto the AutoGrip and allow the mechanism to secure it automatically.